Ever lost a support request because your Zendesk ticket was incomplete? Learn the complete 16-step ticket creation process in about 3 minutes. We'll start by navigating to the ticket menu, then add the requester and assignee, fill in all the details, and finally submit a ready-to-work ticket. You'll start on the Zendesk homepage, so make sure you've got that pulled up. Then, go ahead and click the plus icon at the very top of the screen. From that little menu, just click on Ticket to open a brand new ticket. Now, pick who this ticket is for. Select the requester or create a new one if they're not in the list yet. To add a brand new person, click on the Add User button. In the form that pops up, start by typing in the customer's name. Then, type in their email address so the system can identify them. Once that's filled in, click Add to finalize the user. Next, choose an assignee for the ticket, or you can leave it unassigned and take it yourself if that's the plan. Then pick a follower, someone who should be kept in the loop on this ticket. Now enter a clear subject for the ticket, like password reset, for example. Then describe the issue in detail, adding as much relevant information as you can in the description box. All right, let's add a tag to help categorize the ticket. Just type one in and select it. You can also choose a ticket type, but that's optional, so feel free to skip it if it's not needed. Set the priority to show how urgent this ticket is. Pick the level that fits the situation. When everything looks good, click Submit as New on the lower right corner. And that's it. Your ticket is created. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.